Coconut.
Kube.
This is not English, oh.
Kube.
We are using English. Kube.
Kube?
Kube.
I'm pronouncing it like
Not
it.
Kube.
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 Kube. Kube.
No. Ku.
Ku.
Be.
Be.
Like bay.
Like bay, like hey bay, what's that? Kube. Kube.
No. It sounded as if Kube. Kube. No. Kube.
Kube.
Ku.
Ku.
Be.
Be.
I'll give you assignment after this.
No.
Avocado.
Paya.
Oh!
Did I get it right?
Lemon. Oh, this would be nice.
Anka Chwadir.
Oh, you try.
Well, I'm trying on all of them.
Oh,
Believe it or not. Anka Chwadir.
What is orange?
Anka Chwadir. Anka
Lemon
Chwadir.
is the junior brother of orange.
Orange.
So Anka,
Anka
Cha, Deer.
Deer. Deer.
Anka is orange.
Anka, yeah.
You remember?
Yep, with the 2 A's. Anka Chwe
Not.
Chwa.
What did you say? I said. Don't say that. It's profane.
It is?
Yes.
What is?
No. I'm not saying it. So.
Anka Chwadir.
Anka Tradier.
Anka Chwadir.
You should be careful with the Twi language.
Everything sounds the
No.
same. Anka Chwadir.
That is why you should be careful.
Anka Chwadir.
Anka Tradier.
Anka Chwadir. Anka Chwadir.